Let's start in tabletop. And we'll do some cat-cows, ensuring that our wrists are directly below our shoulders, our knees are directly below our hips. We're going to inhale and drop our belly. Look up, extend your neck out and look up. Exhale, round your back. Stretch, push through your hands. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look at your belly. And exhale to a nice flat back. Tuck our toes, push into downward facing dog. Let's ensure that our fingers are spread wide. Our thumb is in just a little bit. We want to create some stability in our hands and in our wrists. Push through your hands. Look at your feet. Toes should be pointed forward. Knees should be pointed forward. Drop your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Look at the mat directly down in front of you so that your ears are even with your arms. Bend your knees. Push up and come down. Bring your heels down as much as you can. Really push through your hands here. Drop your shoulders like you're trying to tuck the bottom of your shoulder blades into the top of your ribs. Exhale, come forward to plank. Inhale, push back to downward facing dog. Exhale, plank. Hold. Don't forget to breathe. Make sure that you breathe. Inhale, push back to downward facing dog. Exhale to plank. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale to plank. Let's do some crunches. Right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Bend your elbows. Drop your knees. Slowly lower yourself down. Put your arms out at your side. Breathe slowly. Look face down at your mat. On your next inhale, raise your arms up. Reach back down towards your toes. You should be looking directly at the mat. Crown of your head facing forward. On your next inhale, raise your legs. Use all of your back muscles to hold you up. Really press your hip points into the floor. Exhale it down. Hands by your side, by your ribs. Push into your hands. Push yourself back, child's pose. Take a couple of resting breaths here. Inhale back up to tabletop, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Push in through your hands, look between your hands and bring your feet up to meet your hands. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, and very, very slowly roll yourself up one vertebrae at a time. When your chin comes up, your hands should come up with it. Nice big stretch. Look up, interlace your fingers, point your index fingers straight up like a little steeple. And on your exhale, let's dive it over to one side. Inhale it back up. Dive it over to the other side. Stretch. Really open up those intercostal muscles in between your ribs. Inhale up. Exhale, drop your hands behind you, interlace your fingers, flip your palms down, really bring your shoulder blades down behind you, bring them together in the back, open up your chest, nice heart opener. Inhale it up, exhale, warrior two. Front foot, your toes should be pointed forward, your back foot should be at an angle so that the back edge of your foot lines up with the back edge of your mat. Take your toes, point them forward, take your knee, make sure it's tracking towards your pinky toe. Engage your abs. Inhale, lift yourself up. Bring your arms out. Left arm in front, right arm behind you. Look out over your middle finger. And I want you to really engage all of your muscles here. Your thigh muscles, your calf muscles, really root into that back foot. Engage your abs here. Inhale, bring your navel to your spine. Drop your shoulders. Engage your biceps and your triceps and extend each direction. You should be extending out from your core. And on your breath in and out, you should be expanding. Really grow your skin. Push your muscles and your bones outward. Fill up your inside of your body. Shift backwards. Shift your hips forwards. Flip your palm. Reverse your warrior. Breathe. Inhale through your nostrils and exhale through your nostrils. Inhale it up. Drop your left arm down, your right arm up. Try to look up at your thumb. Keep a nice straight back. And on your next exhale, maybe you bring that arm overhead. Take your left arm, reach out like you're holding a beach ball. Inhale up. Exhale it down. Inhale it up. And exhale it down. Really work those oblique muscles. Inhale up. Drop your arms down, warrior two. Again, be conscious of your knee. Make sure that it's still tracking towards your outside of your pinky toe. Straighten that front leg. Shift your hips back. Triangle pose. You want to keep your back straight. Think about trying to flatten your back up against a wall. It's more important that your alignment is correct than how far down you go. So if you need to come up a little bit to straighten your back and get everything lined up, then that's what you should do. Take a couple of breaths here. Inhale it up. Bend your front knee. Take a couple of breaths here. Straighten that leg, bring your toes around to the front. Goddess arms, point your toes out, drop your hips, and let's do some crunches. Inhale up, exhale down. Up, down. Inhale up, exhale it down. Stop here. Breathe in, exhale, bring it together, crunch it in. Exhale it out, crunch it in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, push through your feet, straighten your legs. Warrior two on the other side. Bend your front knee. Make sure your knee's tracking towards your pinky toe. Turn your back foot so your back edge of your foot is parallel with the back edge of your mat. Arms out, shoulders dropped. Nice and strong. Engage all of your muscles in your legs and in your arms. Inhale, shift back. Exhale, forward. Flip your palm. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Inhale it up. Exhale, right arm down, left arm up. Reach up to the sky. And on your next exhale, dive that arm over. Maybe you bring your left arm or your right arm out, hold that beach ball, bring it up, bring it down. Inhale up, exhale it down. Inhale up, drop your arms, warrior two. Straighten your front knee, shift your hips back, triangle. Again, flatten your back out like you're trying to be flat against the wall. And breathe. Inhale, bring yourself back up, turn your feet in, heel toe your feet together. Nice mountain pose. Inhale up, and exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, exhale it down, and inhale yourself back up. Hands to prayer center, Samastichi. And namaste.